YouTube, welcome back. How are you? Uncle Tony here. Today we're making beef Osso Bucco or Ghana Bitsayo with fresh Pappardelle Pasta. And this is gonna be a hot number, yeah. First we're gonna heat the pan up, put some olive oil in it. French cut beef shanks, Osso Bucco. James over at ROMEO Brothers made these specially for us. They're beautiful. Look at that meat, mama mia. Come camera, come. While this gets hot, look. Ah, you hear that? Look, now we're gonna churn. Look how beautiful. We're gonna churn it a little bit on the side. I want to give a big shout out to my McKinney superstars, those guys and dolls, and the staff over there. Uncle Tony loves you guys. Now that we're removing this beautiful beef, we braise it fast on each side. It's an olive oil fire. Or should I say an olive oil storm? Mamma mia. Perfect, look at that, baby. Those onions are gonna be gorgeous. I can tell you guys all the time, whole tomatoes are the best. See, the onions are perfect translucent color. Some salt and pepper. That's okay. Now listen, you guys think I'm putting a lot of salt and pepper, but I'm not, because I am making a vat of sauce. So basically, put salt and pepper to your own taste. If you like a lot of salt, put a lot of salt. If you like a little bit of salt, put a little bit of salt. The black pepper is the same thing, to your own taste. Look how nice, see, look how nice the color of the onions. It's gonna taste really delicious on top of this homemade Pappardelle pasta. This is my Rosie and Annie's favorite.
I wanna show you some outfits from the Oscars. What do you think of this guy's outfit?
Ah! Gay, Mary, gay. What's his name again? Woo, girl, that's gay. Woo.
Billy Porter.
That's hot. That's the ugliest thing I ever seen in my life. And I'm open to anything. That is the worst. That's something you would wear in the casket. I think my grandmother had a dress on like that when we buried her. That's a casket dress. All she was missing was a little Malene.
What, you don't like this one?
Don't make me vomit. That's what an ugly color. It probably would have been beautiful in black. She's a very beautiful girl. That's from the Crazy Rich Asians. Yeah.
Yeah.
That probably would have been gorgeous black.
She won that to the Oscars.
It's horrible. And it all happened with this Time Warp piece. A potato masher. Oh, potato masher. Oh my God, I didn't know they still make them. They do. They still make them. Now that that sauce is all happy, look how beautiful. Ah, there you go. See, look, cover them. Gorgeous. And we'll see you in a few hours. Hello, we're back. We're gonna put just a drop for the Pappardelle Pasta so she don't stick it together. Okay? Okay, good. Now while that's in there, we're gonna take out our Osso Bucco. Look how beautiful, you ready? Look at that. Beautiful, my God. Pappardelle Pasta, especially homemade, cooks right away almost. Put some sauce in a pan here. A little sauce on top. And we got beef Osso Bucco on fresh homemade Pappardelle Pasta. Stay tuned, keep following us. We love you guys. Buon appetito. Ooh, baby, baby. Baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore.